so happy and I'm honored that you are all here, especially yung mga friends ko nandito, for supporting me for 16 years now. 17 this year, of course. This coming November is my birthday. And yeah, I'm so happy and ayoko nang patagalin yung eksena natin today, okay? So thank you so much for coming and please continue supporting our models, our Great Man of the Universe Philippines, and of course our Great Man of the Universe, okay? Thank you so much.
Good afternoon. Thank you for coming, guys. Ako, ano ba sabihin ko? Hindi ko alam yung sabihin ko. Bakit ako nandito? Yeah, our year for the send-off of Marnie. I will be needing your support. I'll be leaving on the last week of September for Venezuela for Mr. Caballero. Yun, we will be needing your support. Thank you so much.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
From the mountains to the sea, we walk with strength and dignity. Different faces, same inside. One big world, one big tribe. Look us not alone, the us alone.
Good afternoon everyone. And yun, para sa inyong lahat to. And sana mag-enjoy kayo sa kakakantahin ko. You know, so let's face it. You had me at hello. Hesitation never helps. How could this be anything else? When all I dream of is your eyes. All the love reasons.
First candidate of Great Man of the Universe Philippines who are going to compete on October 1 to 11 in Caracas, Venezuela. Okay? So guys, this is for the Philippines. Okay? So sana supportahan po natin si Marnie, our Great Man of the Philippines, Caballero Universal Filipinas 2025.